Everybody says that you need to be investing, but how come nobody tells you how you can invest successfully? What's up everybody, I am Jaspreet Singh and welcome to the Minority Mindset. If you've ever invested your money before, you probably realize that investing isn't as easy as baking a cake. Little help here? But seriously, everybody on the internet makes investing seem like an easy way to get rich quick. Pick the right stock and you can double your money in 30 days. Can I borrow some money, please? Here's a newsflash. Investing is not a way to get rich quick, but it's a great way to build long-term wealth slowly. But how do you do it? What do you need to do if you want to become a successful investor? You'll figure it out. How? Well, you're in the right place because I'm going to be talking about 7 things you can do to become a successful investor, whether you're starting off with a few $100 or whether you're starting off with a few $100,000. So make sure you watch this video until the end. But before we get into that, make sure you hit that thumbs up button below and subscribe to the Minority Mindset YouTube channel. That way you don't miss our new financial education videos every single week. And hit that little notification bell too, otherwise YouTube won't let you know when our new videos are released. By the way, if you're unsure of what investing is and how it works, I'll link a video for you to watch first in the description below. First, invest in something you know. The 3 hardest things about investing your money are knowing what to buy, knowing when to buy, and knowing when to sell. The easiest way to find a potential stock market investment is by looking at your credit card statement and seeing where you're spending your money. Chipotle, why do you keep taking all my money? As an investor, you can research how a company looks and the data and the numbers, but you can't see how a company feels unless you're a customer. When you are a customer, you are seeing how a company feels from the inside. Chipotle, you feel so good in the inside of my tummy. If you love Chipotle and every time you and your friends go there, you spend $75 on guac, chances are other people are doing the exact same thing. Looking at where you shop will set the stage for finding a good investment, but before you jump in and start investing all your money, I need you to make sure that this is a good investment, and I always like to look for 2: passive income. If you buy an investment for $1,000 and then 30 days go by and now all of a sudden your investment jumps up in price to $2,000, you might get really excited because you're thinking, wow, my investment just doubled in value and I made $1,000. But you need to remember that you don't actually make any money until you sell your investment. If you bought the stock for $1,000 and then it went up to $2,000 and you got excited and you held on to the stock and then, oh no, your stock came crashing down to $500. Well, now it looks like you just lost $500 even though you had initially made $1,000 because you didn't sell your stock. Well, sort of. There's one exception to that. See, when most people think about investing, they think of buying gold or stocks or real estate or whatever and then holding it for a period of time. It might be months or years or decades. This way they can sell their investment, like we saw here, for a big profit. I don't know about you, but I don't have the time to wait decades to see a return on my money, but I also don't want to day trade because that's way too risky for me. I want to be able to invest my money today and start seeing a return right away. That's why I love investing for passive income through real estate and the stock market. Some companies on the stock market make a lot of money. You don't say. Well, when you're a big company like McDonald's and you have all this profit sitting in cash in your bank account, you're going to want to share it with the owners of the company. This way more people will want to invest in McDonald's. Well, if you go out and you buy just 1 share of the McDonald's company, you become a shareholder of McDonald's, which means you are one of the owners of the McDonald's company. And so now when they distribute their profits every quarter, you get your share of the profits. Psst. That's what dividends are, and you can have these dividends deposited into your bank account, or you can have these dividends reinvested to buy you more shares of the company. Not every company pays a dividend, so you need to do your own due diligence, but this is what passive income is. You're investing in a company, and now this company is going to pay you every 3 months or so with a dividend, and you can have this money deposited into your bank account, and you don't have to do anything. You don't have to go and flip burgers or tell McDonald's how to run their business. They're going to do that, and they will pay you your share of the profits. But when you're making these investments, you also want to make sure 3, that you don't overpay. As your cheap brother on YouTube, let me give you one piece of financial advice. Never overpay for your investments. The worst time to come in and start buying a stock is when the media is reporting, "Oh my God, this stock has hit record highs and it looks like it's never gonna come down." That's when you want to stay as far away as possible and wait for your investment or stock to come back down to reality for you to come in and buy. But you also don't want to overpay in commissions either. When you buy or sell a stock on the stock market, you need to use a stock brokerage, and some stock brokerages are going to charge you a commission or a fee to make your trades. But thanks to our sponsor Webull, you can buy and sell stocks on the stock market while paying $0. Yes, nada, nothing, paying $0 in commissions. Webull is super easy to use. All you need to do is open up a free account, and then you have all the tools on your fingertips to buy and sell stocks and do all your research. You can research stocks and their companies, you can research currencies, you can research Forex, you can even research crypto right on their app. When you find a stock you want to buy, all you gotta do is enter it in, fund your trade, and you're done. You don't gotta pay a penny in commissions to make your trade. Webull is running a promotion where they are giving Minority Mindset fans a free stock just for investing with them. You can see all the details on how to grab your free stock using our link in the description below. Minority Mindset is a partner with Webull, so if you use them, we will get compensated, but there's no additional cost to you. It's free to open an account and it's free to make trades, and they're giving you free stocks just for investing in them. So if you want to learn more and get started and get your free stock, I got the link to how you can do that in the description below. 4th, invest in what's profitable. If I came up to you and I said, I have this amazing investment opportunity for you. I have been working on this mug business for 5 years and I've been selling so many mugs, and it's a great business, it's an awesome mug, and the only problem is I haven't made a profit yet and I don't know how or when I'll be profitable, but you should invest in me. What would you say? Intriguing. Who do I make the check out to? No, you would say heck no. But there are big startup companies out there that are in the exact same boat. They are worth billions of dollars. They haven't made a profit and they don't know how or when they will be profitable, but people keep investing in them. This is not a problem when things are good because everything is sunshines and rainbows. But when things go bad, these are the first companies to go. So I need you to do your analysis yourself and not just follow what the masses do, because sometimes the M is silent. I'm simple. If something is not profitable or it has no clear path to profitability, I'm not interested. 5th, understand leverage. Here's what pretty much every investing guru out there will tell you. Let me help you get rich. You can take your $10,000 and turn it into $100,000 before you know it by using something called other people's money, OPM. You're gonna take your money and now you're gonna be able to get a 50 times better return, and you will be rich in no time. When I was starting off as a young and naive investor, I believed that pitch, and so I did it. I started making trades with a whole lot of margin, which is debt. But what I didn't realize, and I learned the hard way, is that when you use debt or other people's money or margin, you have to pay this money back plus interest, which can get very expensive. And 2, if you lose money, this will amplify your losses just as big. No, I let other people hold on to other people's money and I invest with my own money. Remember, investing is not a way to get rich quick. Investing is a way for you to build long-term wealth. So new investors, I need you to stay as far away from debt as possible. Debt is for other people. It's not for you, because right now I need you to 6, learn the rules of investing. Investing is a game. It takes a lot of practice to get good, and you're gonna have to make a lot of mistakes to be the best. Yes, it sucks when you lose money on your investment, but it happens to everybody. I even made a video on my worst real estate deal ever. It sucks, it's painful, but it's something you have to go through so you can start making your profitable investments. When you start losing, this is not the time for you to start panic selling. This is the time for you to really start learning. And number 7, invest for tomorrow, not yesterday. Like the famous hockey player Wayne Gretzky said, you need to skate to where the puck is going, not where it was. You need to start investing to where money is going, not where it was yesterday. The world is moving digital. The companies that got with the times are still alive today. The companies that didn't aren't. Look at Borders, look at Blockbuster, look at Circuit City. That's why you need to pay attention to what's happening around you. This way you can invest for the future, not just invest based on what you thought was cool yesterday. But Jasprit, how do I do that? That sounds like a lot of work. I thought you'd never ask. That's why we created the free daily Minority Mindset newsletter, where our team first breaks down the top finance and business news, and then we show you how this news affects your wallet. This way you can be smart with your money in less than 5 minutes every single morning. The newsletter is completely free, and you can subscribe to our finance and business newsletter by clicking the link up here or by clicking the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, share it with one friend. That way we can help spread the word. If you want to see my worst real estate deal ever, this one was very, very painful, and it's the only deal that I ever lost money on. If you want to see this video and learn from all my mistakes, I got it for you right here. So just click on that button and you can watch that video. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep hustling.